Hello?
All right. I mean, this is the setting I expect for escape rooms.
Hi, Curly, Iffy, and Megan. That's me. For your first challenge, take this quiz. I love a quiz.
First up, what does your bedroom look like right now?
I'm the son of a Latina mother. Of course it's perfect and organized.
How are your clothes usually organized?
Is it possible that all 4 answers are true?
What's your biggest organization issue?
Shoe storage. I own over 80 pairs of shoes.
If you're already an IKEA family member,
What's your favorite benefit? Which I am, by the way.
what's your favorite benefit?
All of them. All of the above.
Do you want to do an escape room right now? Absolutely.
Ooh, Clutter Pro! Very me. You love to declutter.
Okay, I got an answer. It says you've got potential clutter champ.
A little effort will make you the clutter champ you were born to be.
Enter the room and go to the desk.
Organize the item so it isn't a mess.
Oh my God. Okay.
This is nice. Who's trying to escape this? I'm not trying to escape this.
Ooh.
Oh. Guess it started.
Okay, I want a good time and I want to organize. So I'm gonna do this quickly. Pens. Okay, just put things where they go. Why is this suddenly so hard to think of things?
Oh. Thank you.
Does someone win? Is this a winning challenge? I can make it a winning challenge. Okay.
Literally almost broke up with my boyfriend because this happens at his house. I was like, we can't.
This is so messy. It already is making me nervous.
I really like the file holders. I know I wanted to buy them and find something to put in them. Oh, there's letters. Do I have to organize the rest of this if I see the letters?
I didn't realize I was gonna have to spell to get out of here.
I am so good at letter jumpers, and I saw it immediately.
Be under...
Bed.
Under bed.
Under bed! Ah, under the bed.
I mean, look, against Curly and Megan, I love them. They're both amazing, wonderful people, but I will be the best at this.
Oh! I love these things.
Wow, that rolls out so smooth.
That roll under bed, oh man, that was so solid. With that roll away, I'm in the next level. I'm already seeing that there's something on these sheets, so I'm gonna get right to it.
Dun, dicka dun.
Whoever folded these did a beautiful job.
It's an arrow.
And it's pointing this way. But also, this thing? Is it this thing? Oh!
Oh, I'm a genius.
Ah, okay.
Go to the PAX wardrobe. Messy shirts and shoes should be old news.
That's the truth.
Left to right, organizing like this will be all right.
I'm gonna put this away. America. I don't think I'm gonna win. I love this thing. Can I just say one thing, America? Anywhere that you can have glass to see what you have, love!
I have over 80 pairs of shoes, and I would just love to have this space.
Short sleeves, long sleeves, hoodies. Wait. Where's there a hoodie?
Long sleeves right here. That looks good. Got some letters on the shoes too. Oh, okay, I see you.
Okay, and then reveal yourself.
Go to dresser. All right, say less.
Oh, do I need to do the shoes too? Oh, yes. Yes, speak to me. This is what I love to do. Uh-oh, another spelling test.
Well, there's letters on the shoes. That probably means something.
Go dresser too.
Go to dresser.
I'd like to say I'm an organized person. I might struggle, but I'm sure eventually I'll beat it.
Oh, yes! Count the items and put them in the drawer. I don't want to count and spell anymore. I just want to get out of here.
If you're an IKEA family member, you can ignore. Okay, what clothing item is there one of?
2 sweaters, 1 shirt.
A tie.
I'm not gonna judge this person, but I wouldn't put the shirts all the way on the bottom.
What's the letter on the necklace? That would be an M.
How many socks are there? 2. We found those. How many pieces of jewelry are there? 1, 2, 3. This one's hiding over here. 4.
This is a tie, and then there's just an M. Time, time, time. It's time. Time for socks. That's probably not it.
If you're an IKEA family member, you can ignore. Wait, I am an IKEA family member. The perks of being an IKEA family member.
Time 2, 4. Time 2, 4. Time. Set the time to 4. Here it is. 4. Let's go.
The time is set to 4. Oh my God. Oh my God. I did it. That was so hard.
We did it. We did it. Okay. All right.
You love to see it. I'm hyped.
Woo! We made it.
Kind of slow, but I did it.
Short answer, yes. Long answer, get me to IKEA as soon as possible.
The whole time I was just thinking like, oh yeah, like getting ideas of things that I wanted to do in my own house.
Like the things in the drawers to organize your stuff, I could use that.
Huge thanks to IKEA for a super amazing fun day. Be sure to check out the Escape the Clutter AR Snapchat lens.